Okay, so if you follow me here and on other social media channels, you'll know that my favorite food is salmon. Yes, it is. I am absolutely obsessed with it. I eat it every single frickin' day. Every day, I kid you not. And my favorite way to make it is in the air fryer. That being said, not everybody on the face of the planet has an air fryer, which is absolutely crazy in my mind. For all of you out there who do not have an air fryer, I am gonna show you how to make the perfectly crisp salmon in the oven. Now, it's not gonna be 100% the same, but it's gonna be pretty damn close. First of all, the type of salmon I use is so utterly important, it's not even funny. Never, ever, 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 ever get that nasty frozen salmon from like Walmart or Trader Joe's or whatever. This right here is the Atlantic salmon from Whole Foods. This is the creme de la creme, the best fucking salmon on the face of the planet. This is what I subsist on. And I put this in my other YouTube video about air frying salmon. The Whole Foods Atlantic salmon is very humanely raised because I'm pretty sure a lot of you are thinking, ooh, farm-raised salmon? No, thank you. Well, I'ma say thank you to this salmon because it's fed ingredients that actually enhance the health profile of the salmon itself, and I feel really good about eating it. So hopefully you guys will go on over to Whole Foods and check it out, which, by the way, this video is not sponsored by Whole Foods, although I kind of wish it was because I love Whole Foods and I would love to live there. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and get to how I make this salmon in the oven. Woo! Oh, and one more thing before I really do shut up. The piece of salmon I'm going to be using is 9.5 ounces. Just an FYI, because depending on the size of the salmon piece that you have, the cooking time will vary. Do you see this perfection right here? Do you see it? So this was 15 minutes in the broiler. It looks pretty dang close to the air fryer salmon. Not exactly close because the thinner part got a teeny tiny little bit burnt. But if that does happen to you, all you have to do is take this tin foil here and cover that burnt portion so it's no longer being directly affected by the broiling heat. The thing is with broiling, all of the heat is coming from the top of the oven as opposed to baking, which comes from the bottom of the oven. I personally love broiling because I love the crispiness on the top of this. Now, some of you might be wondering, what about the salmon skin? That's the best part. I want it to be crispy, yada, yada, yada. Let me just put that down real quick because it's actually getting a little heavy. When you broil this salmon, if you want to, when you have about 5 minutes left of the cooking process, you can flip this piece of salmon over so you can achieve that nice and crispy skin. And let's just say this skin is perfect. Did you see how simple that was? It literally took 15 minutes to make this piece of salmon. But as I said before, I actually started the cooking process. It really depends on the size of the piece of salmon you have. So if you have, let's say, 1.5 pounds of salmon, it's going to need to be in the broiler a little bit longer than 15 minutes, unless you like it really, really rare, which personally, I do not. I either like raw salmon or cooked salmon, nothing in between. Which is why a lot of people over on my air fryer video comment saying, wow, you killed that salmon. Well, first of all, it's already dead, so I didn't actually kill it. But secondly, I like my salmon cooked through and I love it crispy. Now, there's one thing I have to mention about the broiler method. Everyone's broiler is a little bit different. So use the time of 15 minutes as a general number. Don't you dare go walk away and do the laundry or go attend to your children or go mow the lawn or whatever. Stay in the kitchen and watch your fish. Keep opening the oven and checking on it. That's what I do with the air fryer method too. I always go in there and check on it because, well, I like to whet my freaking appetite. And I'm also like, come on, are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Because I want to eat immediately. That is a big tip for all of you. When you're cooking, stay in the kitchen and pay attention. It's as simple as that. Okay, well now I have to pay attention to my salmon because it's staring at me with all of its beauty saying, hey, eat me. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you prefer cooking your salmon in the oven or the air fryer. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will actually not see you next week. I am actually taking a 1-month hiatus from my YouTube channel and my blog because this girl needs a break, and she's going on vacation, and all of you should go on vacation, enjoy yourselves, and put an air fryer on your Christmas list or your Hanukkah list or your Kwanzaa list or whatever the hell holiday you celebrate. Put an air fryer on there, #1. That being said, as you just saw in this video, you don't necessarily need one. All right, bye, happy holidays. Oh, P.S. Yeah, I know guys, I keep talking. I'm sorry, I just keep talking because I have so many things to say. But a lot of you are like, ew, naked salmon, plain, what the heck? Why didn't you put any seasoning on that? Well, this is just a tutorial on how to make it. You are in control of any seasonings you want to put on top of your salmon. For me personally, I actually only salt it after it's cooked. That's it, nothing else. Because I love the taste of salmon by itself. I don't think it needs any sauces or any specific seasonings, just salt. So good. So good. Yes, please.